Welcome. New day, new opportunity. Still like Thursday today. So today at 8:30 there was CPI unemployment claims. No CPI, core PPI, PPI unemployment claims. So that's actually it will be interesting for us. But starting on daily. So price reacted nicely off of this weekly order block here. Wednesday candle closed above this candle. For me, it looks like a Wednesday reversal, and because we also close above this invert FVG, right now we touch this daily order block. I will be looking for, I will be looking for Thursday continuation. I will be looking for previous daily high, and that's my bias just looking on daily. Let's analyze some details right now. So on ES, price nicely delivered into the discount of the range, so that's actually nice. On NQ, price haven't done yet. Actually, I don't think that price is going to deliver into this discount because we already we touched this daily order block, so quote unquote we can say that this is like the discount. But I'm just keeping this level here in mind, but I don't expect price to deliver here. If it does, then okay, I'm prepared. But if it doesn't, then okay, good, even better. So actually right now, especially at 10, I will be looking for price to close above this FVG here, to close in this FVG here. If price do so, then it would be a nice confirmation for me that we are looking for higher prices. If we are going to close like that, then not the best close, but good enough. But I will be looking for price to close in this FTG. If it closes, then it would be nice. 1 hour. Oh, 1 hour. What happened? So just just looking on this chart, we can see that price haven't created any FVG in this move lower, and probably it's not going to do so, like make a one. So that's actually it's showing me a weakness of a price to go lower. There is no FVGs, only this small order block. And another thing is that actually we opened with this is midnight. We manipulated this 1 hour FVG, but London failed to take this high, so that's also price generated buy sell liquidity. And right now for me it doesn't look like the London is the right time of correct high of the day. But with those news at 8:30, price actually took London high, but price didn't take this midnight high here. So we created quote unquote equal highs because my higher time frame bias is bullish. Because I'm looking for higher prices, then I could look for this as a SMT, but I'm looking for this as a I'm not looking on this as a SMT, but I could, and I'm keeping that in mind. But in this situation, when my higher time frame bias is bullish, then I'm not looking at this SMT, and I'm still anticipating that price is willing to take those highs here. And yeah, 15 minute. What? Okay. On 15 minute, those are nice equal highs. Generally, it looks like there was this consolidation here. This can be the manipulation, and we can look for a distribution towards previous daily high. So how I said, there is right now this algorithmic delivery to the tick. Price failed to take this high here. And yeah, right now, let me actually I'm thinking what 930 can do, what 930 can do. That's actually interesting, Uh, what time is it right now? I will be for sure looking right now to close above here, and I will be looking for 9:30. Actually, if there is no 15-minute FEG, then I will be looking for 9:30 to do like this on letter soup on this low, maybe delivery into this equilibrium, and then boom, something like that. That's what I will be looking for. And yeah, I have only 4 minutes to like prepare my journal, so we are seeing after the session, and yeah. Welcome again. Here we are. So we after the session today. Finally, a win. So after 3 losing streak, I got a win. So right now I like in profits. I'm 1,550 from the all-time highs. From the all-time highs, I'm minus 450. So that's only a one winning trade, despite those three losing trades. It's like only one trade, and I'm 0.5% back, So that's the power of risk management. But let me see one thing. But that's not the subject for today. And let's analyze what happened. Or actually, let me start here. So how I said on daily. Price was in the area of this daily order block, so I was looking for previous daily high. Wednesday reversal, so I was looking for Thursday to be the continuation. On ES we nicely reacted from this weekly order block. Daily inverted FEG, boom, price was nicely reacting from it. I was looking for previous daily high. For our so on for hour I said that I will be looking for I would be looking for a closure in this 4-hour FEG, but like how I said, it wasn't needed. Price could have just go to this FEG and like close the one here, and then price could again go in this FEG, take this low and continue higher. On ES it was the same, like price was in this 4-hour FEG, there was this 4-hour order block. Price had also delivered into this discount. So yeah, wait, let me see. Okay, 1 hour. Yeah, London didn't manipulate, so it wasn't the valid high of the session. Also, there was a lethargic price action, so it was only confirming my higher time frames idea. My higher time frames, like perceptions, I don't know how to say, well, like it was nicely aligned with higher time frame. So actually on 1 hour, if you track the fib, there was a discount range, but I didn't see it. And you could measure it from this low to this high. Wait, let me see where price would back then. Yeah, like it was around here, but because the FIB, this one was measured from the 4-hour low, but the one here is measured from the 1-hour high. So if I had seen it, then I would anticipate that price, because price was close to it, then I would have anticipated that price would just manipulate here to then continue higher. 15 minute. Here there was this algorithmic SMT, but it wasn't the SMT for the whole reversal move, but actually this SMT confirmed that 8:30 was going to be the high of the session. The low of the session will be created at 10 or some minutes after 10, and then New York will reverse. So like this SMT was just a confirmation for like time, how time can, like what we can do. Like it was a confirmation that 8:30 could be the high of the session, and this was just a confirmation that maybe we won't reverse. Like we wouldn't reverse at 9:30, but this was a confirmation that probably we would reverse after 10, because 8:30 was the confirmed high. 5 minute. Yeah, nothing special. There was SMT before, but like before 9:30, like you don't need to look on those SMTs. Like yeah, if at 9:30 price had started, like if price would have started like expand, like if price had started to expand at 9:30, then you could look, you could have like you could bro, you could have looked at those SMT as a like protected lows, but because at 9:30, but you don't need to like look on those SMT, especially if like it's some minutes before 9:30, because often like those type of things are going to be just violated, and it's better to have like a directional SMT from the higher time frame. Wait, what I just opened? Okay. So yeah, let's analyze right now what happened. So yeah, like I took the pictures after 12, so like there wasn't a lot of movement on those photos, but price reacted over this daily order block on 4-hour. Price disrespected this 4-hour FG, went lower, and after 10 price took this previous candle high, and we went higher for the buy side liquidity on the lower time frame. Same on ES, despite price had reacted from this. I need to take a sip. Despite price had reacted from this 4-hour order block, next candle took the previous candle high and then previous candle low, and then we rejected lower, and yeah, on 1 hour price perfectly, like it was like to the tick, bro, to the tick. Price delivered the discount of this range. That might be random. 1 hour, yeah, awful delivery. Oh wait, here. So there was this candle, we took 8:30 news high, and also it was an SMT because on ES it was this 1 IM high. Price created an SMT, we turned back, because our daily bias was bullish, not New York session bias, but because our whole like daily bias was bullish, then we could look for the equilibrium of this week to then extend higher. But because there was one important thing on 5 minute, price just went there, and right now if you take a look, we start to reject it. We didn't deliver into the discount, like into the equilibrium of this weekend. In a moment I will tell you guys why. 15 minute, yeah, this bro, not the screen. Yeah, 15 minute, this SMT confirmed the high of the session, so we were looking, because after this green candle, after this white candle, bullish candle, it was a confirmation for me that actually the low would be put at 10, like after 10, and yeah, but I will jump into this subject in a moment. So what happened is that price delivered this 15 minute FEG discount of the range, Nice closure. There was no momentum SMT, but there was a directional SMT into 1 hour FEG. Yeah, closure here, delivered the equal highs. We came back into the discount and we reacted off a 5-minute order block here. 5 minute, yeah, this was beautiful. Accumulation here, boom, manipulation, distribution, retracement, the discount, and right now price is accelerating towards those equal highs. Like it's not really quick, but it will deliver here. So yeah, let's actually jump into 1 minute. So yeah, so once price respected this intermittent high, you could just wait for macro time and look for a setup with manipulation. And there was a one, like, because at this time between 9:30 and like 9:50, it wasn't sure if 8:30 was going to be the high, because macro could have just make a huge expansion towards this 8:30 high. But if you take a look, once price was respecting this order block since 9:30 to 10, it was showing it willingness to actually make the high after 10 to like make the low after 10 to then expand. Also it was nicely visible, like, but like on ES it was quite tricky because we disrespected this FEG here, and then yeah, we respected this inverted FEG, but then at 10 price closed below it, and actually there was a nice setup that you could like capitalize on, and this was the one here. So it was after 10, so knowing that we were after 10, we still had this sales liquidity, and knowing that 8:30, like seeing that the correct low hadn't been put at how to say, at 9:30, because there was a lot of buy side liquidity, no SMT, no 15-minute POI, so it was sure that the 8:30 was the high. So we were looking for the low to be put after 10, and seeing that we are respecting this order block here. Nothing special here, you know, like we also had this order block, but like it wasn't the case. Once price make us up here, we dropped retails, boom, closure below this breaker, you could target, and it would be 2-hour trade. So like simple, it was like a simple trade, knowing that price was going to manipulate, and also because price was consolidating below and we had a bullish bias, we were anticipating the price to manipulate lower to then continue higher. So it was just a setup that was in this manipulation lower, you know. So that was also like interesting setup to journal. And yeah, let's like briefly analyze what happened on 1 minute. Like there is not a lot of things today. It was like textbook day. So how I said, 15 minutes, like we disrespect this FEG. Wait, fuck. We disrespect this FEG. Then at 9:45 we respect it with this green candle here. Went lower. At NQ price was still still keeping this intermittent high. Like look, price went that close, went lower, and you could look at this as equal lows, but knowing the things I have just said, you should look at this as an intermittent high, you know. So then price made this breaker. Like you could enter on this setup, you know, but it would be mad, you know, to be like, it could be mad to be like, you could be mad being in it, like seeing those, but the one here was like you could expect speed here, you know, because it was like the last distribution lower to reverse. So that would be the best setup. Like you could enter here and target those objectives here, but like it wouldn't be the A+ setup, you know. So accumulation here, boom, manipulation. Like this was was beautiful. I enter on this 1 minute breaker and I was targeting 8:30 news and that's fucking it, you know, like today was a really beautiful day, like nothing special here, you know, like well, let's actually analyze it much deeper. So at 10:30 price created this 5 minute order block, so you could also enter on this 5 minute order block, went lower. If you would like to add to this position when you were doing this trade, there were a lot of possibilities, so we'll also touch on them. So once price delivered in this 5 minute order block and below this low there was a 5 minute FEG, but price left this open and we went that low and we started rejecting. It was a confirmation for me that this 3-minute low in this 3-minute FEG here became the intermittent low. So once price close above it, then you could buy here. And I'm also calling those levels, like on the video you have just seen, like it will be before this video that you are watching right now. So yeah, you could buy here, boom boom boom. At this time it was 10:35, so 15, like inverted 15 FEG had been created at this time, like was created at this time. Price delivered here 10:45. We respected the like equilibrium of it. I mean threshold, I don't fucking know how to pronounce, like this is coach encroachment I think, but I'm not good at pronouncing it, so I'm just saying equilibrium. We respected it, boom, inverted FEG, you could buy here, boom, another closure. Price was closed, so last distribution. Last distribution here, there was like this was a market maker buy model here, boom, soup here, invert FEG, boom, boom. I don't know why I'm saying boom, but I like it. We close over this short-term high here, back on this order block, FEG held, and yeah, 11:06. That would be fine for the day. You could of course like target previous daily high, but if you had taken this 5-minute order block, then you could have targeted the previous daily high, because like it's a good setup, you know. It's a good setup. And also the one thing that how I said at the beginning, there was a huge week, and usually you will see that price will like retrace to the equilibrium of this week, but because we have still bullish bias, and this is a important order block, time-based order block, price don't need to do it, and you want to see price to respect this order block if your idea is still correct. Oh, and there was also a nice setup. Once price close to the tick with this order block, like that was a nice breaker targeting 2R, and you are fine, you know. Right now I don't know what price is going to do, like we are in lunchtime, so I don't know, but I'm still anticipating equal highs, previous daily high. We will see. But yeah, like quick video, well, short term, like textbook day, and yeah, we are seeing tomorrow. Take peace, yeah.